this video, we're going to assign multiple app stacks to a single VM. But first, let's take a look at that VM. I have a single C drive. We have our program files folder with very few folders in it because we don't have any applications installed. I'm going to open up my control panel. We can take a look at our uninstalled programs, and we can see that I have just our agent and some tools installed. We can also see that we have no printer drivers installed. And if I double click on my PowerPoint presentation, it will not load because we do not have an appropriate application for it. So let's assign a bunch of applications. We have my app stack here called lots of apps. I'm going to make an assignment. I can do this to any domain object, but in this case I'm going to do it to myself. We'll go assign, and we'll do this immediately. And now we'll go back to the virtual machine, and we can see that all of the applications have now been installed. If I take a look at my C drive, I now have a single C drive here with multiple file folders. And we can now also take a look at my drivers, and I have additional drivers and printers installed. And we can take a look at our program files, and now we can see all of the native applications that have been installed. I can also go back to my icon again, and the appropriate application for its file type will now be opened. And I can go and click on some other application just to show, and then we can see that this application has also been natively installed. But this isn't quite enough. Let's say we actually need a little bit more. OpenOffice wasn't enough. So let's actually install Standard Office 2013. Same scenario. I'm going to assign it to myself, and we'll do an immediate assignment. And if I go back to the virtual machine now, we can see that Office will be installed, and with just a second or two. We can also go back, and let's say I need some additional applications installed. In this case, I'm going to have a ThinApt isolated version of Office for 2010. I'm going to do the same process. I'll assign it to myself again immediately. And we can see, if I come back, that we now have a ThinApt version of Office installed as well. So we have many applications, 2 different versions of Office, isolated and natively installed, all done within seconds.